guys, welcome to RD Pineda's YouTube channel. Today or tonight, I will cook for my family famous Filipino dish which is called lumpia or spring roll. And this spring roll is vegetable spring roll or lumpiang toge. So this is very famous Filipino delicacies, and it's very easy to cook. It's just you just saute the vegetables and then you will put it in the roll, spring roll, and then you will fry. But let's begin. For our main ingredients, the main ingredients of lumpiang toge, vegetable spring roll, is the toge or bean sprouts in English. I bought around 300 grams of lumpiang of toge. Then cabbage, around half of one full cabbage. And then green beans, around a handful. I just bought a handful and cut into slices, diagonal slices. Then one medium carrot cut into thin slices. And then for the saute, we have the onion, definitely, without which walang lasa, without no taste. It's one medium onion cut into small pieces. And then around 4 cloves of garlic. Actually, there is one missing ingredients for this lumpiang toge, which is singkamas. Singkamas is turnip in English. Because I cannot find turnip, so I will just leave it that way without turnip. So let us begin our cooking session. Start now sauteing the onion and garlic for around 1/4 cup of cooking oil. We are using sunflower oil. But any oil will do, vegetable oil. So just heat the onion. Few minutes. When it turns a little bit white, I use red onion. You can also use white onion if you like, but I always use red onion. Then the garlic. Also learn this, Put the ingredients. The cabbage. Carrot. It's all these and saute this vegetable. It's around maybe 5 to 10 minutes, so it will not overcook. Vegetable is cooked, only half cooked. Okay? And the last is the last to be poured is the toge or the bean sprout. This is the main ingredient. So let us just just so now this is it's already cooked, half cooked. No need to cook more because we will try it later when we wrap it in the roll. So this is cooked already, finished. I'll just taste it. Something taste. Masarap. Taste it. Yes. Cook na. Cook na. Okay. So that's the filling. Next stage, we will put it in the roll. Okay. Okay. Now we will roll the main ingredients into the spring roll. And we will roll it. Just roll it. We will need some water, just plain water, to act like a paste. Others they do it with egg, no egg wash, but this one is just plain water, just to close the roll at the end. So that hand you see is not my hand. That's the hand of my commander in chief. We have rolled around 33 pieces for the full ingredients. Plenty enough for the 4 of us. But we will not fry this. We will not fry this 33. We'll just maybe we'll just fry maybe half or 10 pieces of this. And the next day we can fry it again. We will put it in the fridge. We will put it in the foil and the fridge for some other day we will cook. So this can serve 33 pieces. I think more than 4. This can serve around maybe 6 to 8 people for this 33 rolls. Then now the next stage we will fry it. So now we will fry turn golden brown. That's already cooked. It's already cooked. The other side. So that's it. Okay. That's it. Our baked